Okay, so for my cultural technology presentation, I chose to teach you guys about ancient Egyptian multiplication. And I'm using an app I found called iPaint, and you can just like draw and do whatever. It's pretty cool. So we're going to use the the equation 25 times 32. So the most important thing to remember is that this is column 1 and this is column 2. So in column 1, you're always going to start with a 1. No matter what number's in here, you always start with a 1. And then you're going to double it. And you're going to keep doubling it until you get to a number that if you doubled it again, it would be bigger than the 25. So for us, that will be 16. So once we've doubled it and we've gotten to 16, we'll stop. And then you're going to move over to column 2. And the important thing about doing doubling in column 2 is that you're only going to double as many times as you doubled on column 1. So we doubled 5 times in column 1. So we're just going to double 5 times for column 2. So for column 2, you always start with the same number that's in column 2. So we're going to do 32. We're just going to double 5 times. So 64. And then 128. 256. And then our last one is 512. Okay, so now what you're going to do is look back at column 1, and you're going to find all of the numbers that add up to 25. So for us, that would be 16, 8, and 1. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look directly across from those numbers that you found that would add up to 25. And you're going to add them all up. So you're going to add 1 and 32, and then 8 and 256, and 16 and 512. And you're going to add all of those up together, and then you're going to get our answer, which is going to be, ooh, that is not a good line, 800. So that is basically how you do it. There you go.